ngathi senza inungeko yangaza yenza ukufiswa nguwe velele ndawe yakho Jesu asiwenza lutho ngeko yangaza yenza ukufunwa nguwe 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 yeah mananjalo umienda phakadea area
All of these things are made available for all in Christ. Any house that will pursue the prophetic will have it. Any house that will pursue healing, it will have it. There are houses that we know that healing is the bread of children there. Just like this house. It's an inheritance. It's what the apostle contended for in God.